Please love, like, and share. Our soup is ready. Thank you for watching my videos. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. How you all doing? Guys, come. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. You are highly welcome. Let's make ora soup. Yes, but it's going to be a quick one. Normal now. I don't waste time in the kitchen. But this one, I have only 30 minutes to do this. So, first of all, my meats. I've been cooking the goat meat, and I believe that by now it must have been, soft. Goat meat and stockfish. So, this is the fish I'm going to use for this recipe. I wash it thoroughly. I've added salt with hot water, then I diluted it with cold water. So let's wash it all and clean it so well. So here's the parts. There's the meat, both goat meat, stockfish. It's soft now, so I have to put my dry fish. So guys, trust me, this soup is going to be super. Going to be super, and I mean super delicious. Even though I'm too fast, I'm cooking it so fast so that hubby can carry it to work. But it's going to be sweet. It's going to be tasty as usual. I need to add more water. That will be enough for the soup. Like this one, I believe this one will be okay to cook the soup, or we add as we go. I'll add more. Let me add more. This one will be okay. This one is enough for the soup. Oh, let's add water. I'm adding everything, every single thing at the same time, so that no need to wait, so that all of them can be cooking as well. Adding my oil. This one will be okay for the oil. The next I'll add right now is my ogiri. This one should be enough for the ogiri. You guys know that our pepper is blocked. Look at the pieces. This one is enough because it's Cameroon pepper. So this one is enough. Cover to cook. Let's arrange other things. So time to add our cocoyam. Guys, look at the cocoyam. My mother made this. If you need it, you can contact me. This is for thickening the stuff, the soup. Let's just see, this one will be okay. Don't worry, this lump, it will just melt. Don't need to stress myself over it. It will melt before you open your eyes and close it. It will melt as soon as possible. So let's add more. This one is not going to be enough. Let's add more cocoyam. So guys, we don't need to cook this cocoyam too much because it has been cooked already. So as you can see, it's melting. That lump that you're seeing before, see, let them melting. It's cool. So let's get our crayfish and add some other things. Let's add our crayfish. And season cube. Okay, let's done. See how soup is coming together. Almost done. The tongue is very low. And as I said, already blended. Let's peel our veggies. I'm using Ora because it's Ora soup, guys. Do you know, you know that this small thing that you're seeing here, I got them. Look at it. See how small it is. I got this too. These two Ora plus this is Oziza. So let's open this Oziza leaf. See, I got all of them, these three. 1, 2, and 3. These 3 for 10 euro. See how tiny, how tiny looks like. Very small. Okay, let me build them. We'll come back. So because I added a little bit of Musa seed, because I know that I have fresh one as well, so that's why I didn't add much of it. So time to add the fresh one now. Yeah, please love, like and share. Our soup is ready. Thank you for watching my videos.